Sangamitra. So today it is what 15th session, and this session is going to be on while loop. So in the last class, which loop we have discussed?
For loop.
For loop, and I guess you are good with for loop, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we are going to see about while loop. So why we have to use while loop? Yeah, let's see. So first we'll see like what exactly it is. So in this there are three things. How many things?
Three
Three
things.
things. First one is initialization. Initialization. What is the meaning of initialization? Starting something. Second one is condition checking. Yes. And
Yes.
and the third one is updating the value, or we can say control flow, or updating the value. Okay, these three things are very important in any loop. Okay, so what are those? First one is
Initializing, condition checking.
yeah, initialization. What is the meaning of initialization? Starting the value. Start. And this is checking whether it is true or false.
False.
Condition means is it true or false? If it is true, it will go inside the block. If it is false, it will not go inside the block. Okay, this keeps update the values. Means if the value is getting updated to make condition false. If we don't make the condition false, it will iterate in the infinite loop. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, so these three things are really important in this. Now we are going to see about like one point is why we have to use a while loop, like when we have for loop. So the answer is, if we don't know exactly like how many iterations we have to do, like for example 5 times, 6 times, I need to print high. Okay, print
Yes.
high, I can go with a for loop. Good. If I wanted to print 500 times, I can go with a for loop. That is fine. But when we don't know the number of iterations has to be done. If we don't know if we don't know what the fixed iterations, how many iterations has to be done. If we don't know how many iterations or how many times that loop has to execute, at that time we go with what? While loop. So when we don't know how many iterations has to be done, so then we do usually go with what? While.
I'll,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes. Now this is what a small point. Now let's see the syntax of this. Syntax of what? While loop. So first what I said, initialization. So here it is I is equal to 0. Then I am writing here while. In this what I will write here, condition, and then this colon. Why we are writing colon? So that, any idea?
Uh,
It is a part
it
of the
stops.
syntax.
Yeah.
And also like it will, like once we enter in the compiler or in the interpreter, it will give us exact line from where we have to enter the inner side, inside of the while block. So now for example here, statement 1, then again here statement 2, done. Now once this is done, now here I'm writing what one statement I will write to update this, updating the value. This is 3, third one. Now here again statement 4, or here I'll write as statement 3. So what is this? These are statements This is my updating the value it is, and this is outside of the while loop. Yes. So
Yeah.
everything is there in this. What is this?
0. I
Initialization.
initialization.
And here it is what? Condition checking.
Yeah.
If this condition is true, then only it will enter into this. Okay.
Okay. Then control flow.
Yeah, and here it is what I'm taking this as update the value, updating the value, update the value here, and this is outside, outside the while loop. Got it? Now we'll see one exam. We'll see one example on this, so that it will be more clear for you. Okay. Now I is equal to how much? I'm taking 0. Now while, in this while I'm writing a condition. What is the condition I have to write here? How many times? For example, if I wanted to print a good morning for 5 times, so what should be the condition here? Yes,
Good morning.
I is less than
Okay.
equal to 5. Yes.
Yeah.
So up to when this condition is true, at that time it has to print what? Good morning.
Okay.
Print good morning. Good, good morning. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, once this is done, what we need to give? We need to also give what? Updating. Yeah. So now let's understand one point here. I'll explain you this in the paint so that it will be better. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this I'm copying here. Hmm. Now it's correct. Yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Okay. So now initially what happens here is initially the value of I is how much?
Right. Good morning.
No, value of I. How much?
Value of I is 0.
0. Okay. Then it will check the first is what? This is the first place. First one it is. I'm just writing here. This is first. First step. What is happening in the first step? I is equal to 0. Then second step is what? This is the second step. Yes.
Yeah.
Second step. What is happening in the second step? Condition is being checked.
Yeah.
Yes. If the condition is true or false now.
True.
Is it true? Yeah. Second step is done. This is first step. First step. What is first step? It is seeing. It is checking whether it is true or not.
Yes.
So first step is this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I is equal to 0. What is second step?
While is is I less than equal to 5.
Yeah. So is it true?
Yes.
Control Z. Is this condition is true or not?
Is 0 less than
Zero is
actually
less than, 0 is less than and equal to
5.
condition is true or false?
Yeah. True.
Condition is true, right?
Yes.
So
True.
in this, what is happening here is the condition is absolutely true here. This condition is true. T means true. When the condition is true, what it will print?
0 is equal to
No,
5.
No,
No.
when the condition is true, after this, where it will go? It will go to this block because the condition is true, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
So
and
good,
it will,
good
and it
morning.
and what it will print?
Good morning.
Very good. And after this, what will happen?
Uh, we will execute it. Next, it will happen. It is true or false. And good,
Hmm.
bro.
So
We
next,
get good morning right when we executed it. Then it transfers to the next point.
see here, when we are doing this, it is going here. Now, in this, can we make this condition as false? Can we make this condition as false? ఈ కండిషన్ ని
No,
మనం చేయగలుగుతామా? Yes.
no.
When we can't make the condition as false, అంటే ఈ లూప్ అనేది ఇన్ఫినైట్ లో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఇన్ఫినిటీ అయిపోతుంది.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So it will always print what? Good morning only.
Yeah. The
అంటే ఈ
whole thing will
loop,
get good morning.
yeah, this loop is never getting false. False అయితేనే కదా it will come out of the loop.
Yes.
So always this zero only will be there. Zero is less than equal to 5. True. Condition is true. Always it is true. So what happens? Infinite number of times it will print. It will keep on revolving in this only.
Yes.
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 So like keep on revolving in this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will be like keep on from this and from this same point. So what is the meaning here? Let's see once we'll execute this and check in the compiler in this
Actually, it
ideal.
goes on.
Yeah.
Actually, it will goes on. I have checked it yesterday.
You checked it. Great.
Yeah.
Now you see here, I is equal to how much? 0. While what is the condition? I is less than equal to
5.
5. And then what we are writing? Print. We are writing
Morning.
here good morning. Yeah. So can you tell me whether this will be in a same line or in a new line always?
On the
It is,
new one.
yeah, it is print right on the new line. If we are writing here end means then it will be on a same. So
Yeah.
let's see what happens. See, it is keep on going.
Bro, your video has been struck.
Yeah,
Video, I can't see it. It has been struck well place.
video. Sorry, what you're talking?
వీడియో మూవ్ ఆన్ అవ్వట్ల బ్రో అక్కడ 5 దగ్గరే ఆగిపోయింది.
Now once you give the screenshot,
Ah.
is it still not visible?
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay, now
No, it is only showing us names.
I think internet is slow for in your area. Maybe slow internet.
No, no, no. Yeah, now I can see it.
Now you can see.
Yeah,
Now, now I wanted to stop this. How we have to stop it? We have to update the value. Yes.
I end it.
So how to update the value? I is equal to I plus 1. This is what updating the value means. Once it is 0, it is true. Then again, I value will become how much? 1.
12.
So 1 is again it will check the condition here. Again it will print. So like this, it is keep on.
Printing.
Yeah, it is keep on increasing the value of I. So at one point, the I value will become what? 6.
Okay.
So 6 is less than equal to 5. That is wrong, right?
Yeah,
False. So see here, the output is how many good mornings?
5,
No,
6.
it is 6. Yes, because we are starting from 0, right?
Yeah,
And also equal to 5 we have given. That is the reason. Understood?
yeah.
Yeah. So what is happening here? What is the first thing? Now next point is what we are, yeah, this point, this is important here. This, now how this control flow is working, that I will explain you. So this I am writing here. So now here, what is the first one? First thing is what? This is first one. Second one is condition checking. Third one is what? Printing this one. So third one is this matter will be getting printed here. 3. Third one is this point. Understood?
Yeah.
First one is initialization, second condition checking, third one is this
Print.
printing, fourth one, this is fourth point. So this is fourth. This is fourth point. Yeah. Now what happens here is first one is first point I have written, second one is condition checking, third one is printing the message, fourth one is updating the value got updated. Yeah.
Yeah.
So how much the value is now? Earlier it was 0. Now the value becomes what? 1.
Yeah.
0 plus 1 is 1 only, right?
Yes.
So once this is done, again it will go back to condition.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I'm going to write it. Yeah. Now you have to tell me what is the first thing it is first. What is first thing it is occurring? First one is 1. After 1, what will be happening? Condition checking. That is 2. After 2. After 2, what happens? 3, right? Message printing.
Printing.
Yeah. After 3, updating the
1. I
4.
1. Yeah.
4. I have given number. So with that number we can have. Now after 4, what will happen? Again it will go back to
1.
not 1 bro. 2. Condition 2 లో చెక్ అవుతుంది కదా.
Ah.
ఈ 2 చెక్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అది అగైన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ట్రూ ట్రూే కదా 1 is less than equal to 5 ఇట్ ఇస్ ట్రూ. సో అది ట్రూ అయినప్పుడు అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ వాట్ 3
Print.
మెసేజ్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది.
Third.
ఆఫ్టర్ మెసేజ్ ప్రింటింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ అగైన్
4.
4. ఆఫ్టర్ 4
Again second.
Good. After second
Again third and fourth.
and
Fourth.
third and fourth. After fourth
Again second.
again second, again third, again fourth, again second, again third, again fourth. Understood? So repetition is there. So once if the condition is false, now what happens? Once for example at the 4, I value becomes I value became how much?
False.
Yeah, I value became how much? 5.
Yes.
So 5 plus 1 is 6. So I value became 6 this time. Now when it becomes 6, now it will go to what? Second.
Yes.
Now in the second, what is there? 6 is less than equal to 5. The condition is false.
False.
Yes. When the condition
Yeah.
is false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. So it will
Okay.
print what? It will 5. It means it will come out. So 5 I have not written. I will write it now. So this is 5 means statement 5. Just 5 I'm writing here. Okay. So when the condition is wrong here, false. If the condition is false, it will come where? Yeah. Yes, it will print what?
Fifth.
Yes, it will print this. This line is denoting what? If the condition is false, so it will come out of the loop, right? Yes, this line is denoting what for what? If the condition is
False.
false. Yes, exactly. If it is false. So let me write the false. So bro, you can take a screenshot of it, pic of it, so that you can understand better. Mhm. False. So when the condition is false, it will be, when the condition is true, it will keep on moving. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the working principle. Yeah, I hope you understood. Yes or no?
Yes, bro.
Okay, good. Now, so now what we need to do here is we need to stop it. So let's see where it got stopped, right? And if I'm
Yes.
printing anything else, here if I'm printing print 5, now now up to where it will print, up to the condition becomes false. Up to there it will print what? Good morning. And once the condition becomes false, at the end it will print what? 5.
5.
Yeah, let's see this. 5 got printed.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. So I guess you got a clear understanding on while. Yes,
Yeah.
I is equal to I plus 1. Okay. Now we are going to see some problems, some small examples. Okay.
Yeah.
On, let's see some examples. So the example is, for example, if I wanted to print here, uh, see here, yeah. First question is print. I want to print first 100 numbers. 100 numbers. How to print first 100 numbers?
I is equal 0.
I is equal to 0. While in this
While
condition, I need to give what is the condition? I is less than 101.
okay.
And then what I need to print? Print. What I have to print? Print
Uh,
I, right?
yeah.
I only have printing.
I
And this too, I wanted to represent this in the same line. So what I can do? End is equal to this space. Yeah. Is it done or we have to do anything else?
no. We have to put the dots. What do we call them? There after 101 we have put dots, right? Say we have to put it
Now it will not execute. Let's check what happened. Oh my god, what is this?
zeros.
So it became into what? Infinite. It
Yeah.
gone into infinite cycle.
Yeah.
Why?
Actually, we have enter I is equal I plus 1.
Yeah, that is called updating of the value. It is not getting updated. So always it is 0 only, right? 0
Yes.
is less than this 0 only. It is not updating. So now we have to update it. How to update? I is equal to
I plus
I
1.
plus 1. Now it got updated.
Yes.
Now let's see what is the output. Oh no. Wow. We got it, right? So 0 to 100. But I wanted my printing is, I what I need is first 100 number. First 100 means from 1 it has to start. So what I need to do? Should I write it 1? 1 to 100 right now?
Yeah.
Yes. From 1 to 100 I got. Yes. Now I think you got you know how to print these numbers.
Yeah.
Good. Now second question. We'll see the
Actually,
second.
I already run the program,
Mm-hmm.
but instead of I entered the different one for
No
thousand.
problem. Any variables you can take. Now
Yeah.
here I wanted first 100 odd numbers. First 50 odd numbers. Odd numbers. Can we do this? Now now in this we wanted to find, or we wanted to print only odd numbers. So what are the odd numbers? Like 1 has to get printed, 3 has to get printed, 5 has to get first up to 50, all 50 odd numbers. Yeah.
Yes,
So for that what we can do,
we have to give them space and enter the number.
here we can do
Uh,
like this.
Actually, 0 to 50, but we are using range system. Is that range?
Okay. So this is the answer for the first one. And second one answer. So let's try to work on the second one. First 50 odd numbers I wanted. How to get a first 50 odd number? So to get a first 50 odd numbers, what we need to do is like plus, here it is, the progression is going plus 1, right? If I make plus 2 like this, now let's see what happens. What I got?
Numbers?
Am I getting all first 50 odd numbers? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
1, 5, 7. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, if you change any number, that may differences it will be giving you. For example, if you do 5 here, now what happens? 5, 5, 1, 6, 11. Yeah.
Yeah.
So here, if I'm writing 2 means this is giving me the answer, whatever the answer I'm looking for. So this is the for answer I'm just keeping in this. So first 50 odd numbers we can able to print. Yes,
Yeah.
good. Now my third question. The third question is I wanted to execute my name, or I wanted to print any string. Can we do that?
Yeah. Definitely.
So let's see here. For example, in the place of I, if I'm writing Vivek Pandey, now what happens? Can you tell me now? What will be happening? Oh, what's happened? Up to how many Vivek Pandays?
Actually,
Yes.
101.
Yes, exactly. The condition, depending on the condition, it is. Now, for example, if I wanted, if I'm giving here 2, now what will happen? Yes, like let me keep this small, 10 now, or we can keep it here 5, 5. Now let's check how many Vivek Pandey. Why only
One,
2?
two. Because
Why?
we given two, right? There, I plus two.
Exactly, exactly. So it is taking only another one.
Mm,
Hmm. So we can also print this names also. By this we can strings can be also printed. Print string, print string. That's it. So the answer for this is the same code. This one. Now is it done?
yeah.
Now the next question. Now the next question is odd numbers is done. Now if I wanted you to just print even number, can you tell me how to print even numbers? I wanted 100 even numbers to be printed.
Yeah.
How
Uh,
we can?
Instead of even numbers.
Yes.
We
We
have
can do
to
here. We
change
can do here
0.
0 here too.
And
If I write like this, how much it will be? Just 50 it will give, right? Even numbers.
yes,
What I should write here? I. How many I got?
even numbers.
50 even numbers only, right? 50
Yeah.
even. So, but
Mm,
what I need is I told 100 I wanted. So to get 100, what I need to do? 201.
yeah.
More than that. Now it is 100. 100 even numbers I got.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the code for what?
Even numbers.
Yeah. 100 even number. First 100 even numbers first. This is also done. Now what is remaining? Let's see. One more question. Now in this, if I wanted to find out the sum of what? First five numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
Find the sum of first 10 numbers. First 10
Yes.
natural numbers. I think you have seen this one only, I guess.
Yes.
Have you understood the code?
Yeah. We
You
have to
can,
enter
you can able
while.
to do it by yourself.
Yeah.
So now you dictate me. I will. You have to dictate me without saying anything. I'll just type the code. Can you?
I is equal 1.
Hmm.
Actually, we are writing for 10, right?
I is equal to 1.
Next, sum is equal 0.
What?
Sum.
Sum.
uh, yeah.
Okay.
Then we have to enter y.
Where? Here.
Next line. On the next line.
Okay. Next.
I less than equal to 100. Actually, this
Why
is
100?
I.
I need only 10 digits.
So we have to keep 10 in instead of 100 place.
So you are seeing and telling me,
Sorry,
bro.
actually, I did the 100 one, so I remembered it. 100.
No, no, don't tell 100. You have to tell me. This is the question, bro. See,
Equal
sum
to
of
10. We have to write
what I
equal to 10.
what, what I need to do here is I wanted 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10.
10.
How much the answer is? 1 plus 2, how much? 3.
3,
3 plus 3,
6,
6 plus 4,
10,
10 plus 5, 15.
15,
15 plus 6,
21,
21 plus 7,
28,
28 plus 8,
36,
6 plus 9,
45,
5 plus 10.
55.
So answer I should get 55. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is a question. Okay. So you are telling this up to 10, right?
yeah, is equal to
Okay.
10. We
Huh?
have to put equal to bro.
Okay. Next.
Then we have to print it.
What I need to print?
Actually,
You said you understood, right?
I said I understand it little bit on the online. Actually, we have to enter sum is equal sum plus 1. Like I is equal to I plus 1.
Why we are doing like that?
On online, I have seen that way. So I didn't.
You did not got
You know,
question why we are doing that.
in this case, we are entering in different ways, right, bro?
Okay. So what I need to do here now?
Actually, we have to enter print I n is equal space. I mean,
Print I.
I comma is equal n is equal space,
Okay.
print space, and then we have to enter I plus. I mean, I is equal I plus
Uh,
10. This is the way you told me,
okay.
but in the online I have seen different little bit. In the print place he entered sum is equal sum plus 1.
Okay. Fine. So I understood that you have not understood it properly. I will explain you this. Okay.
No, the way you told me is I understand it. That is not the problem. You asked me how to do it. I mean, you told me you did it on the online, so tell me how to enter it. That's where I got confused. In online, he's shown me in the different way.
Okay. Fine. So now here I will explain you what is this, how to find out the sum.
Okay.
So now here what we have is first starting it from what? From one. So one I need to take. Yeah.
Yes.
So I is equal to what? One.
One.
And then now what I need is I need what? While loop condition up to where the condition has to go.
Up to 10.
Yeah, up to 10. So I is less than equal to
10.
or it is less than 11. We can write like this also.
Yeah.
Now here what I need is I wanted to make a sum. Whose sum I wanted to make? All these sums, right? This sum. Yeah.
Yeah.
So to make the sum, initially we should have something, right? So
Yeah.
like for example, if I'm writing here I plus I means it will not make sense. Like I plus I means what? Keep on like one will be one, again two. So what we need is we need to add both. We have to add what? Add all the numbers. Okay. So to add all the numbers, we are taking one variable. For example, I'm taking it as total. Total. Total is equal to what? Zero I'm taking. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why zero? Because if I'm adding something with a zero, the value is not changing at all initially.
Yeah.
So here tab, here what I'm taking is total is equal to total plus one. Sorry, plus I it is. Yeah.
Acha.
So now always this is where it is this total is inside the while loop. Yes.
Yeah.
So always it will run till the condition becomes false. Now, I is equal to what? 1. 1 is less than 11. The condition is true. When the condition is true, the total is equal to what now? Here it is 0 plus I. I value is how much? Initially 1. So total value become what? 1. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. So total is equal to 0 plus 1. Now it became what? I value is 1. Now when it becomes 1, it has to go again on this, right? Again it has to update. We have to update the value of I also.
Yeah.
So I value we have to update to make this condition false and come out of this loop. Yeah. So for that, what I'm going to do is I have already told you I value we need to update. So I is equal to what? I plus 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this total, we are going to print this total. So just come outside of this, print total. Simple. Yes. Now let's see how we can do here. So I is equal to how much? 1.
One.
And total is equal to how much? 0. While in this while we are giving the condition I is less
Yeah.
than 11 And then what we are doing here is we are just adding the total. Total is equal to total plus I. And then we have to end that loop also, no?
Yeah.
So how to end? We have to update the value of I is equal to I plus 1. Now, once it is got ended, after this, what I need to print is total. Print the total. Total. Now, let's see whether it is giving me the right answer or not. Given me the right answer? Yes.
Yeah.
Did I got 55? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what is happening? That is very important here. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll do one tracing kind of thing. Let's trace this code. Yeah. So I guess you understood the coding, but internally what is happening, that is important for us. Yeah. So what is internally happening? Let's understand.
Bro, actually, I tried in a different way.
Huh? In which way you tried?
But you told me now, right?
Hmm.
I have tried it in a different way,
Okay.
but I got a different answer.
Not 55, but 55 we should get, right? Our main aim is 55.
Yeah. Actually, I was trying, but it was different. I mean, before this class, I have tried it. I will send you the screenshot.
Okay. But this class you understood?
I understand this class, but I have tried it on different way.
So this is the code. Now here I'm just explaining you how this tracing work.
Instead of total, I have taken the sum.
You can take
I
anything.
mean,
That's not an issue.
yeah. But wait a second.
What I'm doing here, just observe it carefully. This process is known as what? Tracing. What it is?
Trace- Tracing.
Yeah, tracing. So if you know this process now, you will be comfortable with other loops concept also. Yeah. So now here starting is I value. I'm keeping here I. My I is this. It is what? I. Here I need to take I. We'll take the I from here only. Is what? I value. And then we have to give what? Condition here. Condition means what? True or false. Yeah. So we need to write it in the terms of true or false. True or false. Now, once I is done, true or false is done. Now here it is updating of the I. I value is getting updated. Again, I'm taking again here this I value. This is updated I this time. This is updated I. Now here what we need to write is resultant. What is that? It is result. result, or a total we can write output. 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 Yeah, got it. Now, now you tell me what is the first thing in the I value? What we are keeping the first one?
1.
Yes, exactly. So we are just taking this one. I'm bringing it here. First one is taken. Yes. Now one and total is also 0. Fine. Now it will check what condition is being checked. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now when the condition is being checked here in this, now what happens? I is means 1 is less than 11. True or false?
True.
Yes, absolutely it is true. So what do you need to write here? It is just true. Mm, So this is true. This is true. When it is true, what happens?
We pass on to the next.
Yeah, we will like a total
Update. Yeah.
total value. So here what I will do is I will just remove this part. Here we can write what total. Yes, delete. And I'm writing here total. Total is denoted by what? With a T only.
Yeah.
Yes, this is it is not true. It is total. So now when this when I is 1 and the condition is true, then what is the total value? Yeah,
Total value is uh, I. I mean,
much. See here. This part I'm taking this here. Here it is blue. So see here this part. This total is equal to what? Total plus I.
yeah.
So what is total? Earlier it was 0 plus I. I value enta starting 1 kada. 1 kada ఇప్పుడు. So
Yes.
0 plus 1 ante enta? It is 1 only, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is the value we are getting here?
I mean 1.
Yes. So we got here 1. Yes. We got the 1. Now 1 when it is 1, now what happens? Now 1 is what? Total. Total lo 1 అయిపోయింది.
Yes.
Again it will come to where?
The total. I mean 0.
Yeah. Now here it is. Once this is done, it will come to this block, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Updating for.
Yeah, updating the I value.
Yeah.
So now this time the I value will become how much?
1.
I is equal to I plus 1 gada.
Yeah.
So what was the I value earlier? 1.
1.
So I value ఎంత 2 అయింది కదా.
Yes.
Yeah, so now I value will become 2 now. So I value is 2 here. Value is 2. Got it?
2.
Now when this I value is 2, again it will check the condition here. The condition means 2 is less than 11. True or false?
True.
Yes, it is true. So what we need to write here? Just a true. What I'm writing here by mistake, but it is true, right?
Yeah.
So what I need to bring here? I have to bring here true. Done. ఇప్పుడు ఇది true. This is true. Now what is happening with the total? ఇప్పుడు
2.
ఆల్రెడీ టోటల్లో ఎంత ఉంది? 1 ఉంది కదా. 1 ప్లస్ ఐ 1 ప్లస్ ఐలో ఎంత ఉంది? 2 ఉంది.
2 ఉంది.
సో 2 ప్లస్ 1 హౌ మచ్?
3.
Yes, it is 3. It is 3. So the
Okay, we
value.
are adding it.
Hmm?
We are adding it here.
Yeah. Now this 3 became. Now after this 3, again this I value will become how much?
3.
I value is 3. Now here we need to write what? 3. So simply I can copy this one. This 3. So now my I value will be 3. Now this I value is increasing like 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah,
Now this 3, it will be again compared to this. So the condition is
it is true.
true or false? Yeah, it
True.
is.
True.
Yeah, it is true. Exactly. This is true. Now what happens
We
here?
get to a 4.
If it is true means what happens? Total is how much?
Total plus 3.
Total was 3.
Total plus 1.
What? ఇది టోటల్ కదా బ్రో. దిస్ ఇస్ టోటల్. టోటల్ ఎంత ఉండే? 3 ఉంది కదా.
Yeah. So we are adding 3 plus 3 here this time.
I value 3, right?
Yeah.
I is 3 and the total previous total is 3. So now how much?
6.
Yeah. Now it is 6. Now it is 6. I guess you are understanding now.
6.
Yeah.
And
Now what is the total? Now what is the total value? It is 6.
6.
Now once 6 is done, now again it will update the I value, right?
Yes.
So now what is the I value?
6.
బ్రో ఇక్కడ ఐ వాల్యూ ఎలా వస్తుంది? 1, 2, 3, 4 అట్లా వస్తుంది కదా.
Sorry, bro. It was little confusing.
No bro, you have to concentrate on I. ఫస్ట్ ఐ అంటే ఎంత అయింది? 1 అయింది. 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా. 2 అయింది. దీన్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే ఐని.
Yeah, yeah.
ఐని వీఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఐ అండ్ టోటల్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. కానీ మనం ఐ మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఐ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత? 4 కదా.
Yes.
ఐ వాల్యూ ఆల్వేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 అట్లా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. So
Now
I
I
value.
understand. So first we have to increase. I mean, we are looking at I. When we are get to the next point, we are increasing into total plus total.
Correct.
Acha.
So now you don't try to look anywhere. Just you have to try only on this I part. So I value is now how much?
4.
Yeah, now it is 4. So here it is 4. Okay. When this is 4, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కండిషన్ చెక్ అవుతుంది కదా. కండిషన్ చెకింగ్. So 4 is less than 11. Is it true or false?
True. That is true.
Exactly. So it is true. So when it is true means we are bringing here it is true. True అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు టోటల్ లో ఎంత ఉండే అప్పుడు? 6 ఉండే కదా.
6. Yeah. 6
Yeah,
plus
6 and
10.
6 plus I value ఎంత? 4 and
4.
total previously total ఏమో 6. So total how
Now
much?
it is 10.
Yeah, so now I think the next iteration you can do it by yourself also.
Yeah.
Yes, now it becomes
10.
10. Yeah, so after this 10, yeah, next what happens?
Coming to the I again.
Now it will update the I value. I value is how much now?
4 plus 1, 5.
Yes, exactly. So I value is now
5.
So let's write this 5. And to keep this default, always have to increase the font. Yeah, I value is 5. When the I value is 5, then what happens? Condition is true or false?
Lesser than 11, so it is true.
So here it is true. When it is true, then what is the value here? Total. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ అవుతుంది కదా 10 total
15
plus I.
plus
Yeah,
10.
so now how much?
15.
Yes, exactly. Now 15. Understood?
Yeah. Here we
Okay,
are
good.
only looking at I value every
Yeah,
time.
here it is being total is done.
Yeah.
Now, bro, like for example, if my I is becoming how much? If my I is becoming 11, okay,
Yes.
అంటే ఇలా మొత్తం like 6 5
Yeah.
5 6 7 8 if it is becoming 11, now what happens? The condition is,
Equal. So fall.
yeah, condition is false, right?
Equal. Yeah. False.
Yeah. When the condition is false, now what happens? Total value means దానికన్నా previous ఏముంటుందో అది వచ్చేస్తుంది, the total you can try, but when it is false it will come out of the loop.
Okay.
Yeah, when this is false it will come outside.
It will go
Understood?
to the
And
next point.
yeah, so this all will be getting added, and finally what is the total addition that we are going to get here? Understood?
Yeah.
And that is 55. So if you want you can take a pic of this also.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our code. This is our code, and I have explained you step by step. This is called what? Tracing of the code.
Okay.
This is I. This is condition checking true or false, and this is what total, and this is output.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Now, now once you have understood this, now we have a question for the day. You have to solve few questions. Okay.
Okay.
First question is find the find the first 10, first 100 odd sum, odd number sum of, and second one is find the sum of first 20 even numbers, even number sum. Like for example, we have 1 2 3, right? So we wanted the sum of only even numbers or only odd numbers, like that. These two questions you have to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
One
So
second. Let me write it down.
I think we are done with the day. So I'm
Bro,
just
let me write it the question.